Let me walk you through a real data extraction from realestatecomau, scraping residential property listings with Minexa.ai in just a few clicks or an API call. Go to the page where the list is already loaded. That is the only requirement. Then, open the extension by clicking the icon at the top of the browser. The panel is open. Press the violet button, and Minexa runs its automatic page scan to detect the residential property listings. Already found? The main content area and navigation pattern detected by Minexa.ai. At this point, pick List Only or Enable Detail Pages to extract the detail page of every result. Tap Continue, Advanced, if the job needs to click a button or scroll before the list becomes visible. Minexa.ai identified and highlighted the right section. Click Create Scraper and it learns the page quickly. Minexa.ai found every piece of data on the page without any input from you, including property titles, prices, locations, and key features. For the technical side, click API Request and copy Python code that returns consistent structured JSON every run. Lock everything in by clicking Complete Configuration to finalize your scraping setup. The navigation is highlighted automatically. Leave it or adjust and move on. One click away from a live scraping job. Optionally set a schedule or Google Sheets connection first. The job is configured. Click Run to start. Every value came exactly as it appeared on the page. No AI interpretation sitting in between the raw data and your output. Just a direct read from the right position every time. You'll see property addresses, prices, bedroom counts, and descriptions clearly listed and ready for your use. Hit Export, and the complete dataset is saved to your computer immediately. The data you need is already on the web. Minexa gets it out simply and accurately for anyone, and without paying per token for developers working at scale.